So one of my very favorite ways to use rose quartz, as I've been saying, is as a stress reducer. And I hope you guys are really going to love this method because rose quartz is such a great stress reducer. It's really great to use it as a meditation. It's great to use it as an elixir, even as a skin tonic. But there's a few things that I really like to do with rose quartz because they're the kind of things that you can set it and forget it. And I don't know if any of y'all are like when my babies were little, my kids, my littles were little, I would set up and feed them at night, right? And I would watch the most ridiculous infomercials. And I don't know if y'all ever saw the Ron Popeil set it and forget it. I think it was a rotisserie chicken thing. But this is a way that you can use rose quartz to set it and forget it. Okay, first strategy is to place rose quartz in each room. It can be hidden or not, so if it doesn't go with your motif, no big deal. And this one, it's one of those situations where if you're in a big room, the bigger the better, right? Because you want that vibration to carry. It's really great on nightstands or under the bed, and it can just calm the energy in the entire room. Another thing I like to do with them is to put them around the entrances of the home or office. So you can even tape them in the door frame, so they're not like around the door frame, so they're not super obvious that they're there. But as people walk through them, as they pass through them, it sort of just changes their energy right when they cross the threshold of your home or work or office, right? So that's a really great trick for them.